Right. Happy Super Bowl Hangover Monday. What a great game. Well, not if you're a Chiefs fan, but it was a good game. It reminded me of the 2020 Bucks when they played the Chiefs. Like same type of game. They pressured Mahomes and he was flustered. That's pretty much the whole game right there. But now we got nothing until September. So, back to scrap. Clean it all up. Fill them up. Hopefully get the pile going in a couple weeks. It's manageable now. See what we're gonna give him today. We're starting out right here. Oh, that's a piece of steel. Okay. He really doesn't care what I put in here, so. I gotta dump the bin on the scale too, so I gotta save a little bit of room for that. One more. About it. Hard at work. This thing will be back up in action this week. This is welding. I'm gonna do like probably 5 or 6 passes all the way down the whole thing. Say hi to the world. You almost done, or how much farther do you have to go?
That was a big crack right there.
How much farther do you have to go down? You're gonna go to the end?
Did you get any pictures?
Not yet. You're gonna go to the end?
What's that now?
You're gonna go all the way down? All the way down to there.
Crack all the way.
Yeah. Look what he's scrapping.
Huh?
Look what he's scrapping. No, I'm just kidding. No, Dean made this. He makes the smokers, so. Did you try it out at least once?
Yes, I had it burnt once. And,
what'd you put on? With some ribs or something?
I
I could smell it.
Oh yeah, I just burned oak in it.
Yeah. I like using oak.
Yeah. And all the plates in the bottom are removable.
Yep, and then see for your wood, and he's just got, yep, a little damp. Does that damper stay open like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way you want it.
Yeah, so you can put less heat in there.
Yeah, you can add your smoke, add your heat. Same thing with this one. This is just for keep the water out.
Yeah.
Close it off if you want.
That's why I would have drilled some holes in the base.
Yeah, yeah.
In the bottom, you drill some holes or something?
I have a drain plug in it.
Okay, yep. Yep, it just depends how it's sitting,
Yep.
you know.
Yep.
That's nice.
But it turned out
Did you go out back?
I'm not doing anything out back.
Okay.
You better get away from it, man. I got all this stuff.
Do you know Charles Miner?
Huh?
Do you know a Charles Miner?
Oh, no, I didn't think of that. I never mind.
Yeah, there's another miner in there.
Yeah.
All the dirty. Oh, right here. Well, I want to get that weed eater. That weed eater. The weed eater, the AC compressors.
Yep.
Yep, those come out.
This is stainless
Yep.
here. What, that's it?
Yep. What's this?
Brass, dirty and clean both.
Okay.
And then I got some stainless.
Some aluminum.
Yeah, and some aluminum there. That'll be it on this. That's it. I gotta go out back and get that wig and a wing slip.
Sick. You gotta do your brass too. Dirty brass. Gas money, right, Dean? I think it's a A candle cutter.
Yeah.
That thing.
Ugh.
It's a candle cut. Something like that. 53, Dean. Not bad. Okay. Bueno. 276 pounds. $513. Looking for something. How are you doing? A reefer core.
Someone peel all the reefer core out?
Somebody burnt all the aluminum off of a reefer core. That's what.
Why?
Why? Because they can't scrap them, remember?
What a mess.
I wonder what it looks like afterwards. You know?
What a mess.
Huh? I'm trying to find a joke.
Can I sell these?
Sell them?
Yeah, you think?
Maybe.
Maybe? Maybe?
Maybe. No, I'm gonna have to answer all these. I'm trying to find a joke. I'm trying to find Saturday's video. There we are. Yep, everything's ready. Okay. How did the elephant get in the tree?
With his trunk?
In the trunk. In the trunk. Hold that.
Right?
Yep. Oh, you got a whole box of those. Oh, I thought you were just saying one coil.
No, no, no.
I see it now. Yeah. Roofing nails? No, those aren't roofing nails.
The ones underneath the roofing nails.
These?
Yeah, these ones down here.
Oh, down there? Okay. You don't need it.
That box is roofing.
Yeah. Roof.
Roof.
Roofing nails. Are you Patrick Mahomes? I loved it. It reminded me of the Bucks when the Bucks beat the Chiefs with Tom. Exact same thing. Exact same thing. Like
Such a bad game.
such a good game.
Wasn't even entertaining to watch.
Such a good game because the refs weren't part of it this time. The refs weren't part of it. The Chiefies got exposed a little bit. When the calls don't go their way.
No, they didn't need calls. They couldn't even move the ball.
I know, that's because the Eagles had a great defense. They had the #1 defense in the league. In the league.
They swallowed.
Oh.
Not even mildly in.
75. Dirty.
Yeah.
As we're doing that, that's what's in there right now.
What about this?
Heavy. And it's got plastic. Hold on, Kyle.
It's got a bottom on it, it's heavy.
Ready? Heavy boy.
Oh, sorry, it's 150.
Come on, this is heavy.
54. All right.
Ready for extrusion?
Sure, it's on 8.
That brass?
What? Yeah,
Is it?
that was found in a load. I grabbed that on Friday. I wanted to clean it today. Backflow valve.
All those painted ones on the road are brass?
A lot of them. A lot of them.
Did you see the guys that are stealing fire hydrants up north?
No.
There's a town I saw a video on it. They've lost like something crazy, like 50 fire hydrants in the last 3 months.
Well, where do they go?
Something about that on Facebook.
Where do they go?
But they're
Those are steel.
They're breaking them off and then scrapping them.
No, they shouldn't allow them to do that.
Well, if it's at the bottom of your load, they're not necessarily going to know, but
Hey, I found a couple more weeds. Can I buy them from you?
Yeah. What kind of tree has the best bark?
a dogwood. Yes!
2 for 2. 2 for 2.
What did the sales of why did the sales of batteries go up in an area?
That's the voltage.
No,
No,
remote.
Remote. What kind of hats do you wear on your legs?
Oh, I gotta get this.
Is that the blower that your dad? No, I got one for your dad.
I don't know, Jeff.
Kneecaps.
Kneecaps. Dang it. What has 30 feet and horns?
30 feet and
Rhino?
horns.
30 feet. It's not 30 feet long, it has 30 feet.
No.
A school band.
A school band.
Oh, I get it.
I get it. What did the elevator say about its job?
This is an up and down job.
That's a good answer, but no, it sometimes gets him down.
Sometimes gets him down. Why did the tree take a nap?
Yes, it was.
Oh, I don't know.
For rest.
For rest.
Forest.
Forest.
Oh my God, that's horrible, Jeff.
What you doing, little girls? What you doing, little girls? I know, I got more for you. Huh? Yes. Good girl. Say good little girl. Yeah. Oh, I see like the booty, huh? Oh, pretty girl. Yeah. Good girl. How are we doing today, Dawn? You keeping the vice? You should put the vice on.
Trying to hurry up and get here before you close. Other than that, I'm good.
Was this all at one stop?
Yes, sir.
Dang. They're like jackpot. Right?
I actually had Doug go sit there and guard it.
Really?
Yeah, because I was full. Like, I don't know.
Ah, he just ate it.
These are kind of weird. I don't know. It's aluminum on one side and paper on the other.
That'd be dirty. He just ate it. Ah.
Yeah, anything on the rim?
Number 4.
I got 4 little batteries.
1 battery. Yep. Pounds of motors. Huh? 74? Yes, that's it. 130. Alright. So our orange baler is not working. And it won't be until tomorrow that they can look at it because they're welding on the shear. So it's what it is. That's why he's got that pile of aluminum there. Stainless. See how much we can get done this week. dirt right there. But then sweeping up the pile. Kaboom. A lot of dirt. A lot of dirt. Then Miguel will dump that one on them. So that had to be enough for him. Look at you drooling. Huh?
I just supporting the Mexican people.
Mexican people?
Yeah, there's only working motherfuckers over here. Ain't nobody where they go motherfuckers. And they want to take them out. He's gonna put the figs and stuff. Look, right there, nah, hell no, right there, where I live in Bonneville, they're making a huge, a humongous building. Oh, right there.
Oh, where are you going? The one.
Crib. Right there by Sunflower.
How much we are?
Yeah, they're making some crazy ones now. There's nobody there. It's all on there. Ain't nobody working in there.
Make sure I zeroed that.
And you alone, you need it?
No.
I thought you were gonna take a shit.
No, I had to, I thought she was going to too. Ow. Look at that. Seat covers. Seat
I
covers.
find it yet, I don't know what it belonged to. I was just gonna throw it away and I left it right here.
Oh, that hurt. You see it?
But that's electric.
I think so.
I think it looks like not, but oh, it is.
That motor. If you get that chair out, get that chair out.
Here.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're making a line. You did it.
See, making you have to wash her again. You gotta give her another bath.
I watch her all the time because she be scratching and shit. Scratching and stuff. I buy a shampoo, $47. Both of them will be good.
I told you by Dawn.
I tried. I tried going. I tried plenty of them.
You know what's good too is canned salmon. Salmon.
Canned salmon?
Yeah, the fish. And you mix it with her food. It helps them.
Like your food?
Yeah. Yeah, she get dry food.
She used to in her house.
Do you feed her dry food?
Yeah.
So you mix half a can of salmon. It's like $2 for a can of salmon. And mix it in with her, and the oils help her.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, because my dog itches too.
But she was eating her fucking raccoon.
Where?
She was and she was not a raccoon, a possum.
What are you doing?
She get like that after that.
What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? You're just so happy. She's always happy. You just a happy derpy derpy, huh? Derpy 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 doo. What? Oh, he's a good dog. Yeah. That one. I think that's steel. Yeah, that one's steel.
Is that good?
Huh? Steel.
I do for my dog for water.
What?
That. I do for water.
Oh, that pan, yeah.
She got one in the back of the throat. But every time she open the door and she come out,
It falls out.
she throwing it out. Look.
Let me zero that.
And then it goes.
Huh? Bottom left. That white button.
Okay, 0.
Yeah, it should say. Yep. What is this?
Ready.
How much?
Oh,
37?
17.
17.
Is that good?
What's that?
You check them, they good?
Yeah.
Some of these motherfuckers metal.
Some of them are, yep.
Clean instructions.
Huh?
Clean instructions.
That's clean. Well, out there. That one clean extrusion. This one extrusion. This one clean.
This one too.
That one clean. Yeah.
Gotta be the case more. Keep going.
16. No. 16. Extrusion is 4. The radiator. The radiator? Intercooler. Intercooler.
Right here. You took it?
No, this one.
Oh, the other one.
What other one? Yeah.
The other radiator.
Yeah. Because of it was dirty. This one's clean.
Yeah, dirty.
Yeah. Huh?
You told me not to take the black part out.
Yeah, so you get paid for it.
You told me not to.
Yeah, you get paid for the plastic. You get paid for the plastic.
Look at that.
Ah,
Those things there.
right there. Just dropping a deuce.
Look at that.
Over there. You saw it. Dropping the deuce. And she was looking right at you. Delilah, what are you doing? Why do you always poop here? That's funny. 153, huh? 153. Ah. least I don't have to do it now. And all this goes out back to where they make the bales. There is a little bit of aluminum in there, a little bit, but I just hit myself. It doesn't pay for him to have to sort through all that dirt for like 10 pounds of aluminum or something. So it's just not feasible. And I did some baling, made 3 bales. Actually straight trash. I mean, it's got a little piece of aluminum on there, but I don't know about that. No more? No mas?
Yeah, right?
No? You got the... I will leave him a path. Miguel! Pretty sure that big plate is stainless. Pause this for a minute.